So eventually, when you think about it, if you make metal components of a certain size, it'll impact that industry. And so I think in the metal intensive industries, whether that's auto or aerospace or energy, it'll impact all industries. Today, the early adopters have been space and aerospace. And the reason for that is that there's such an easy value proposition because, maybe the part's a better part, maybe it's 5 parts into one, whatever, but it's always lighter. It's much lighter. So anytime you got to take a piece of metal and put it in space, or take a piece of metal and put it on a plane and get it off the ground, the amount of fuel you have to use is significant. So if I can produce the same part at 70, 80% less weight, that's a huge fuel saving. So the early adopters were space and aerospace. But now you're seeing automotive, you're seeing energy, you're seeing oil and gas, you're seeing construction, you're seeing other markets adopt it. But so again, it'll be prevalent, in my opinion, across all industries, but early adoption has been space and aerospace. I'm Colin Osborne. I'm the president and CEO of Samuel Son & Company. And we think that additive manufacturing and Burloak Technologies is really going to be one of the cornerstones in manufacturing.